Hello, it is Richard, and tonight it is November the 5th, and it's Bonfire Night. Charlotte's over there waiting for us because I went out and I forgot to get my camera. And I'm going to a firework display. And fountains going on down there. That woman looks like she really needs the toilet. Oh, I need a poop! Change of plan. There's been bus problems, so me and Charlotte have ended up in this Zara place and we're getting the pizza. And yeah, she looks very simple right now. Still fireworks going off outside. My little lolly. Lolly. Yeah, so we're just going to go back and set the rest of the fireworks we bought off. Some Chinese lanterns, and we're going to watch Puss in Boots on DVD because I haven't seen that movie yet and I don't think Charlotte has too. So we're going to watch Puss in Boots and I'll tell you how that goes. And
I've probably fallen asleep since I was falling asleep during movies.
Well, do you want cold coffee?
No.
Since you don't like hot drinks. Yeah, she doesn't like hot drinks, so if you ever meet Charlotte and buy her a hot drink, don't feel sad when she says no. And if you buy her spicy food, don't feel sad when she says no because she doesn't like spicy food either.
Peas.
Oh yeah, peas as well. Thumbs up in this video if you like the rug. Me and Charlotte have just bought these LOL drinks and Charlotte's never tried it before, so she's about to try some.
I'm freezing.
I know. Are you excited to try the LOL?
Yeah.
I've had it before and it's pretty nice, so yeah. I'm about to drink this LOL. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la. Whoa, that stuff makes me lol. What's just happened? What's just happened, Charlotte?
I've got no friggin' idea.
This drink is so scary. It makes you lol out uncontrollably. I'm only joking, everyone. Here's a Chinese lantern we are going to light. But first, we're going to write some World PC sort of stuff on. Okay. Okay, let's light this up.
Hello, it's me. Mwahahaha.
Okay. Go! Come on, you can make it. Oh no. It needs more lift. I'll leave it for a bit until it gets enough lift. Hey! Oh no, it's going down! At the end it'll start going down a bit. Hope it hasn't landed in someone's garden. I really hope it hasn't. Oh yeah, that's a pizza I got, but I've ate half of it already.
I didn't fall asleep during that movie.
Yeah, it usually does at this time of night.
It's 22:06.
Yeah. And I'm about to light a banger in the garden. So I'm going to light with incense because I'm weird.